Guys, what's up? So welcome to another Gamer Chase video. So today, this recipe is gonna be pretty cool, I think. I love this recipe. I've made it a couple of times with my grandmother, but it's called Coconut Impossible Pie. So what you're going to be needing is sugar, milk, vanilla, Bisquick. I'm using gluten-free because that's what I actually grabbed the one time. Then you need 4 eggs and 1 stick of softened butter. And that is actually it. Simple recipe. Let's get started. So why am I sounding like Rosanna? This is not a Rosanna recipe, so I don't need to be acting like her. But anyways, you need a blender. So we got the Ninja. Sorry you can't see or anything, but we're gonna put all the ingredients in the blender, but first you need to soften your butter. So put it in the microwave for a couple minutes. Like, I'd say 1 minute, but make sure you watch it after the 30 seconds because sometimes, depending on your microwave, 30 seconds, whatever. So let's start putting the ingredients in the blender. So first, 1 egg. Woo! I just broke it right over the top and the yolk. I think you guys saw it. Yeah, you did. So I just broke it right here and it went in. But, oh, some egg exploded. I softened the butter too much, but that's okay, because that's what I said. You can't always make it perfect, so it's probably only 30 seconds. It would have been fine. Four eggs are complete. Then we're going to throw the butter inside. Then we're going to put, I should have put the milk in there first. That's okay. 2 cups of milk. Then you need 1/3 of a 4th cup of sugar. So that's 3 of these. One. 2. Leave who alone? Who? Oh, 3. Then we need 1/2 cup of Bisquick. So as I said, I'm using this Bisquick because we don't have, I grabbed the wrong one. So it's gluten-free. I don't think there's a difference between gluten-free and regular, but I never tried gluten-free stuff, so alright, so we got 1/2 cup. I'm just gonna put this over here because, alright, that's 1/2 cup. I just threw it on the ground though. And then, so I'm just gonna do, alright, so I did 1/2 of that. I eyeballed it. A little less probably, but whatever. And that is all you need to do. But just because I love it, I'm gonna add just a little bit of coconut inside to just give it some flavor-ish. I don't know, just because. And that's it. So we're gonna start the blender and I'll see you guys in a little bit. This could get loud, I'm just saying ahead of time, but we're gonna do it. What actually happens to this is it gets a, there's no crust involved with this pie. The Bisquick forms the crust and then it does its thing. Favorite pie that my grandmother makes. And I love it. Like, I just love it. So, I'm gonna take this out. That's not even. Alright, then you're gonna set your oven to 350. Also, you're gonna wanna put on a cookie sheet because just easy transfer because it's so liquefied. It's not like a thick paste. So if it falls over, or like, shoot, I need more room. We don't have much counter space. So if it falls or like spills over, you have it. So I'll see you guys when it goes in the oven. I just realized that I forgot the most important part. The coconut. I think that's enough. And that is it. So now I'll see you guys in the microwave. Or in the oven. Alright guys, that's for the best part. It's going in the oven. So make sure you have your oven set to 350 degrees. And let it bake for, hold on. The oven and, woo, it's ready. I love this pie. This pie is so good. That's what it looks like. I'm leaving the episode here. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more cooking videos, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell if you haven't, and we'll see you guys later in the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Also, maybe the next recipe will be from Rosanna Pancito, since apparently I really want to do a recipe from her, so we'll see.